Hello friends, it's Mohit here from Sikshayati.com. Request you to welcome Snowview. It's an email finder application. And before coming to how to use the application, let's start with why to use. So main role of this application is to target the email address from anywhere on the web. That is, uh, you can go on a website, yeah, and you can extract the email ID of the particular website. Rather, I can say you can collect the target leads on website, your social or professional network. Google search result also you can target the leads. That possibility is endless because it's an extension of Google Chrome. So it will help you to find, verify, collect, and convert the lead faster. Yeah, it will is more useful for a sales representative, marketing specialist, recruiter, small business owner, also the startup. And the list is endless. it's it will help to n number of people in the marketing field. Yeah, so now come back to how to use the application. Obviously you have to go to Google Chrome extension. Yeah, so you will go to Chrome Web Store and find the email finder which is offered by Snowview. Since I have already installed the application, that's why it's showing as remove from Chrome. Yeah, in your case it will show as the option to download the same. I'll type Snowview. So this is the website. So you have to log in over here. So before login, you have to create a sign up page. In my case, since I have already logged in, so I don't have to create again the sign up page. I don't have to type in any further detail because I have already created my login ID and password. Now we'll go to a complete knowledge base list which is provided by the application. Yeah. So as per the instruction, you have to download the application. Once it's installed, you have to go to simply on a website and click on the icon. Icon is given on the corner. You can see over here the icon is there. Yeah. So this icon you have to click whenever you want an email ID of a particular website. For example, if I go and click like product hunt, if I click on this website and if I click on this icon, I'll get all the email ID related to this domain. Yeah, which I can easily save for my future reference. So as you can see over here, I got all the email ID related to this website, which you can use for marketing purpose. If you want to contact to that particular uh, vendor or lead, you can easily contact by using this email ID. And this is all genuine email ID which is given in the public forum. Yeah. Also, you can use this in LinkedIn. So this is also a very important and powerful tool. So for that you have to log into LinkedIn. So you have to go to search tab and write the respective company name. So example, if I want to know PepsiCo accountant detail, you can see a number of lists got added. Yeah. So you have one, two, three, four, multiple pages we have. We can go each page and go to the software and try to extract the email ID for the same. So you have to click on this button where you have to say find email and save. Once it is done, you'll get a notification that all the email ID has been saved in your application. We got the notification which says that the email ID is ready. As you can see in the screen, I got all the four email ID which I can use for further communication. It will help you to convert your lead. So as I stated in the starting of the presentation, that main role is to get a targeted email address from anywhere on the web. It will help you to find, verify, collect and convert the lead faster because you get an email ID, personal email ID, and you can communicate better. So request you to use this application as much as possible and take proper use of this application for your growth. Thank you for hearing me out and wait for my next video where I will tell you how better we can improve and convert the lead in our forum. Thank you.